What up, guys? Christian with Bulletproof Fitness, and I got a new little toy today, so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, got the Go Mic by Samson, and this is a microphone from my voiceovers. You know, I'm gonna step up the quality a little bit, so I'm gonna set this aside and open it up. Alright, I took the wrapper off, and here we go. So as you can see, the microphone itself is pretty small. More portable. It's not a Blue Yeti or a Snowball or anything, but you know, I gotta take baby steps when upgrading. Don't want to jump the gun too fast. So this is the microphone. Pull this little tab, and inside got the USB cable, a carrying case, some instructions, and looks like a software CD. And then I guess a little booklet to tell you about how to use it. Yeah, and that's all that came in the box. So I was reading on Amazon, this got pretty good reviews. It was only about 35 bucks. So let me go ahead and open it up. So there's the mic right there. It's pretty cool because here's the front of the mic. You can open up your laptop. And then you just get it and it clips right on. So when you're doing your voiceovers, it's right there in front of you. My laptop. Got bad lighting. Alright, there we go. See, it's pretty small. It's about the size of my finger. So yeah, stepping up the voiceover quality. Alright guys, so yeah. So let me know what you think. I mean, give me some ideas, what kind of videos you like to see, how the quality of these videos are, you know, give me some constructive criticism. So yeah, so I guess I'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, see ya. Right here, I saw these and they're pretty good. Strawberry cheesecake and raspberry chocolate.